Mix everything together to combine and have a beautiful and tasty meatloaf. Let's cook now our meatloaf about 20 minutes, 400. Our meatloaf just came out the oven, and here we have a pizza crust that I bake on the sides. So I'm just gonna cover my bowl here, and really carefully we're gonna flip it like this. Once you have the meatloaf on the top of your dough, I'm going to take mashed potato here with herbs, and I'm going to cover really carefully my meatloaf with the mashed potato. Make sure to just gonna put your cheese here, and it's gonna melt. And once you have your mashed potato ready here, we're ready to draw on the top. So what I get is a little bit of oil, and we're gonna stick them together. Once you have your beautiful shell here, we're just gonna move on with our bread and make a mystery box. So I'm going to start my mystery box here. So I have a mix of cheese. I have cheddar and mozzarella cheese that I'm gonna put in lines like that. Perfect. And once your cheese is melting here, I'm gonna take 2 pieces of bread that I dry in the oven. I'm gonna take the cheese like this and make sure that they stick together. Take the cheese again, make sure that everything is well fixed. I'm gonna stick it inside. So you're gonna take your cheese, look at this, ooh, this is really cool. And you're gonna stick it inside the little box, like this. So once you have your box sealed like this, it's beautiful. We're gonna make sure that it's pretty. So I'm gonna take the rest of my cheese and put everything on the plancha. Beautiful. At the end, you're just gonna have to do a little haircut to your box, and it's gonna be perfect. So once you have a nice cheese twirl like that, you're gonna take your box and we're gonna cover the entire thing with the cheese. So you're gonna take it like this and turn it to cover the entire thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. And my little lid that I create just before. And now that we have our mystery box here, I'm gonna stuff it with cream cheese dip that I made. Really simple, just cream cheese, salt, pepper, and chives. Perfect. Once you have your cheese here, I'm gonna put some pepper on the top, a little bit of chives on the top. Dun, 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 dun. Look at what we did today! We made Mario theme party meatloaf